Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Sorghum Jowar Dosha, a tasty twist to Rava Dosha. Lately, I am trying gluten free recipes and exploring the grains I rarely used. Sorghum Dosha is one of that recipe. This is a good alternative to regular dosha. It is quick and easy to make. Sorghum dosha batter does not need to be fermented. Sorghum dosha also vegan and gluten free. It is crispy and has lacy look like rava dosha. You can serve this with traditional sambar and coconut chutney or serve for snack with cilantro chutney. This recipe will serve three. So first, to make sorghum jowar dosha, I have to make the batter. To make batter, first add all the dry ingredients together. I am using half cup sorghum jowar flour, 1/4 cup rice flour, chawal ka atta, half a teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, kali mirch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, namak, and 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, hing. So mix them together. So I have mixed all the dry ingredients together. Now add the water slowly. We need to make the thin batter like a buttermilk. So, but add the water slowly. So I have used about 1 cup of water, but batter is still thick, so I am going to add more water. So this batter looks right. As you see, it's a very runny batter, texture of buttermilk. Now this should sit for about half an hour before we will make dosha. Batter is ready. It has been about half an hour, so it looks just right. I am going to add about 1 tablespoon finely chopped cilantro, hara dhania in the batter and mix it. So I am ready to pour the batter over the skillet, and I am using the large ladle, and it should be about 4-inch high when you are pouring, and just pour slowly from the center, and it's not going to be exactly round, but that's okay. So as I say, it will have a lacy look. So this looks right. So just wait for about minute and a half till batter is dried up, and it will be little bit brown, and then we are going to put the oil. So batter is almost dry. So now I am just going to put the oil all around and wait. When it starts catching the color, it should look, you should be able to see it is getting brown. It looks just right. You can see the brown all around. And flip it. So it has a very nice color, and it's already looking crunchy. This side will be more brown than the other side. Okay, just let's flip it again to make sure it's done. Yes, it just looks right. So just remove it. And I'm going to make one more dosha same way. So just make sure you mix the batter before you pour. And again wait just for about half a minute. So batter is dried, and now I'm just going to put the oil around. and wait again till it gets brown. So I'm just going to turn it around. It's easy to remove and flip it. Okay, just flip it to see, and it's ready. So just fold it, and doshas are ready to serve. Sorghum jowar dosha, looking beautiful, nice and crispy. Today I will be serving sorghum dosha with aloo masala. Enjoy. Check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive future recipes. If you like the recipe, leave a comment and please share on social media. Thank you.